Want to dive into the world of Bitcoin with Cash App but keep hitting roadblocks? Then you're in the right place, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you exactly how to verify your identity on Cash App so you can unlock Bitcoin and all its possibilities. First, make sure you have the latest version of Cash App downloaded and ready to go. Open Cash App and tap the profile icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Next, scroll down to where it says Personal and tap on it. On the Personal screen, you should see an option that says Verify Your Identity. Tap on that. If you don't see it, you might already be partially verified. So just follow the prompts the app gives you until you reach the end. Cash App will now ask you for some personal information, usually including your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This information is required for identity verification purposes. Make sure you enter it accurately. The next step is to provide a photo of a valid government-issued photo ID, like a driver's license or state ID. Cash App will guide you through taking a clear photo of the front and back of your ID. Make sure the image is well lit and that all the information is visible. Once you've submitted all the required information and your ID, Cash App will review your submission. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Once your identity is verified, you'll receive a notification from Cash App. You should now have full access to Bitcoin features, including buying, selling, and withdrawing. That's all there is to it. Now you can confidently buy, sell, and explore the world of Bitcoin with Cash App. Remember to like and subscribe for more Cash App tips and tricks.